Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fantabby-dozy day today. Today we're going to go out and we're going to do a little bit of a vloggy vlog. We're going to go and see what pre-loved beauties there might be available in my local town. In Fenwick, they have a pre-loved section. I think it's what goes around comes around. And handbag, the other one, handbag closets. But it is where I picked up my Louis Vuitton baggy PM last year. So I'm going to go and have a look and see what else they might have. And I figured, because I'm always terrible at doing an outfit of the day while I'm out and about, always forget to look for a mirror, figured I'd do that before we go out. So first up, simple bit of makeup, just Gucci eyeliner, Benefit, whatchamacallums, mascara and brow setter. Obviously got my hair up in a pony and a quiff. Lipstick, I'm wearing this Chanel Rouge Allure that I won. Let's get that the right way up so you can see it. It's 158, colour Very Voltant, whatever that means. I do like the action on these. It's an unusual colour for me because it's kind of on the browny side of pink, but I figured I'd give it a go today. I am wearing my Fendi earrings because I'm completely obsessed with them. And I'm wearing Prada perfume, Prada Paradox. So let's do an outfit of the day. You may be surprised, you may not be surprised. And then we'll head out. Okay, I took my phone out of the... Whoa, that's a bit close. I took my phone out of the cradle and then realised I hadn't mentioned these ear cuffs. Bought these from Ana Luisa, not sponsored. Shouldn't have to say that in every video. I will tell you if anything's sponsored, but I don't do a lot of that. I bought these ear cuffs. There's two. There's one yellow gold and one white gold one. And I loves them, but I often forget to put them on because they're not something that I can sleep in. So I've put those in. I thought they would look good with the Fendi earrings. Okay, so remember when I said you might not be surprised? Oh, you can see me in the screen. Hold on, let's turn that off because that's off-putting. I can't turn that off without killing the video feed. So, killing the video feed. Who is she? Right, so I'm playing with oversized proportions today. So I'm wearing this big, massive, oversized white shirt, which I got from M&S. Like so much of my wardrobe. I love M&S. So this is a deliberately oversized shirt. You can see it comes all the way down round the back there, and it's got these really high cutouts on the side, that detail there. So I've gone for a loose half tuck here, so it doesn't pull up the back there, the back panels. Oversized, just rolled the cuffs up a couple of goes. This is a very blouse-on kind of sleeve that comes into a tight cuff, but I've just rolled them up because that's the way I like to do it. Unsurprisingly, wearing my M&S palazzo jeans. Was going to go for the dark ones, but felt the light ones today. Wearing my Berkey Evas. Now these squeak a bit when I walk. They make the occasional farting noise, which I find amusing, but others don't. This is the time when a pair of Hermes Chypre sandals would come in handy, please, luxury gods. And my Gucci belt, black leather belt. So, white shirt, blue jeans, black sandals, belt, and obviously my watch. And I'm going to be using this beauty because the sun is shining and I can get away with it. So I like the contrasting denims, although the lighter LV print or embroidery on the baggy matches really nicely with the lighter denim. So I was thinking about wearing a crossbody for hands-free, easy access rummaging, but I didn't want anything to spoil the silhouette, if you like, the shape of the oversize. That's what I am going for today. And I can't really show you what's in my bag because a lot of it is downstairs. But I'm not a fan of the slouch, and I haven't got round to contacting Handbag Angels yet to make a liner for this bag. But I have got a Handbag Angels liner that I stole from my Gucci Marmont to use today. So it doesn't fit perfectly, but it will still give a little bit of structure and make it easier for me to find the bits. I've got my fan because I think I'm going to get hot today. Yeah, so I've got a couple of things in there, but I need to go and fill her up from the rest of the stuff that's in my bag downstairs. Look at the sun! It's such a sunny day again. Right, we're here. Now, let's go and see what we've got. I don't actually need any new luggage, but I always love looking at luggage. Maybe I do need some new luggage for the trip to New York. What do you think, kids? Okay, I've made an executive decision, and that executive decision is that I'm going to go upstairs first, have a quick flick through ready to wear, and also get myself another coffee, because I haven't had my second coffee today. You might have noticed from the earlier footage where I couldn't remember any of my words. Popped over to Reiss, and there's a lot of neutrals here, but I am loving this palm shirt. 148 Great British pounds, and we've got, I know Reiss only goes up to a size 16, and they don't have a size 16 in stock, but this is an oversized shirt, so maybe that's one I could try and find online. And I've got this frock in the same. Very nice, look at that. Very summery. Did it have pockets? Did it have pockets? It's got pockets! It's got an interesting back with a zip. I don't often see a zip on a dress like that. Shorts to go with the shirt. Love those. And oh, I like you. Oh, have you got pockets? Yes, you've got pockets. Oh, I like you as a frock. Very toned down, neutrals kind of thing, not usually my bag, but that green is lovely. And oh look, wide leg jeans. It's almost like I'm on trend or something. Okay, I'm trying this jacket on. This is from All Saints. So that is £299, and the lovely lady has just told me if I join the All Saints website, get 10% off my first purchase. So that's one definitely to think about. Really do like All Saints style. It really speaks to the rock chick in me. This speaks to the mod in me, that Parker. But it really speaks to the rock chick in me. And although, generally speaking, I can never get into any of their stuff. Okay, I'm in trouble. I like this shirt as well. I would prefer it if the green was the predominant colour. A little bit of purple, so... yeah, it's that green again, sort of acid yellow green. Absolutely, I'm here for it. That's a cute little thing as well. Oh, look at the beading on that. Oh, I'm in trouble with that jacket. I could be in trouble with this bag as well. I found Free People. This is another brand that I don't usually look at, but I mean, this is sweet. It's probably a little bit frou-frou girly for me, but does this jumpsuit not give you Train Girl Megan vibes? Megan, is this the one you bought? Because if it isn't, you probably need to buy it. I think this would look absolutely great on you. Dryrobe. My bestie's got one of these, and I'm not going to lie, a little bit jealous. I really, really like it. Love the hot pink. Love the hot pink. Very... yeah, I mean, good for winter. I know this is meant to be used for like surfing and getting changed and stuff after that, but a lot of people in the UK have been wearing these for just for cold weather, and it is cool. It is very cool. I love that pink inside. Looking at Barbour International, I found another cool like raincoat, similar style again to the sort of fisherman style my M&S one is. But, I mean, it's a nicer colour because it's like more of a stone rather than a yellowy beige. But, come on guys, where's the inspiration? Make some green coats, pink coats, other colour coats. There's so much beige in the world. Okay, I take it back. There's a navy one, which is nice. navy one, and I did spot a little green number, cheeky little green number down here, which with the discount for the other one is basically the same price as the All Saints. Arguably Barbour would be better for weather because that's what they do. Now we're going to check out what Mint Velvet has. I'm spotting a jacket there that I'm going to have a look at. Shout out to MVDS Club, the Mint Velvet Denim Skirt Club. You know who you are. Okay, love that colour. Love, love, love that colour. They don't have this jacket in my size, but yeah, it's one to look out for. I love it. Yeah, I mean, this could be the one. Got it in a shirt as well. They've got trousers to match as well. Now, what would be the betting that the shirt and jacket do not match the M&S trousers, or would I be lucky that they would match perfectly? Hello, shirt. What are you? That's rather exciting. Would I look like some sort of sea creature? I love a sail rail. What have we got here? Oh, nice. Lovely colour. Match my new nail varnish. Interesting double cuff situation. So that's quite fitted. Might need to try one of these on as well. Reduced to £49 in the changing room. We've got a few things from MV Mint Velvet to try on. Picked up a couple of things from the sale rail, and this, which I don't really know what it is, but I want to try it on. Okay, so it's like a crochet type. You can see how see-through it is. It's like a sort of crochet zip bomber thing. They didn't have this in an XL, they only had it in an L large. So yeah, I'm not sure if I love it or if I hate it. Love the floatiness of it. Don't love the fact that it's got this kind of pull in it where it's been sitting on the hanger. But I really do like the floatiness of it. I'm just not sure if I'm this kind of repeated pattern kind of girl. It is a sheer fabric. You can see my tattoos through it, which I'm okay with. This is a size extra large, and it feels a bit pulley still. Mint velvet sizing can be nuts at times. I think that's because it's got this, it's quite tight, this elasticated bit. I don't know. I want to love it. I think it looks great with my jeans. Love, love, love the colour of this shirt. I am a little bit confused as to whether it's meant to be fitted, because it feels very fitted around the front, or oversized because it's got this big pleaty venty thing. The colour's amazing. The cuffs are really interesting. This would be nice as a one turn up, but it'd go halfway up my arm, I think. I can't decide. Ooh. Bloody hell, security. Ow! I just pinched myself on the security tag. That's just come off, look. It's just popped off. Owie, owie. Okay, this is really high neck, so not my favourite, but do like the cheeky little sleeves, the little movement on the sleeves. Don't feel like a sea creature. Mint Velvet does staples, but with a slight twist, a little design edge, I think, very, very well. So, plain white t-shirt, but let's put some frilly bits around the arms. A zip-up bomber jacket, but let's make it crochet, you know, that kind of stuff. I never actually made it to get my coffee, and it's now lunchtime and I'm hungry because I didn't eat anything. This is a nice top, isn't it? Oh, that's fun. Forget everything I've ever said about not wishing to add bulk. I would, let's try it that way around, that's a bit better, you can see it. I would absolutely add bulk for this. This is very cool. I like this a lot. Once I'm done in here, go and get some lunch, and then we'll have a look at the pre-loved handbags downstairs. And I'll think about that All Saints coat, because that is in my head. Bubblegum pink, satin, shift, but make it fringed. So I saw this rail and thought, Raishma, I've not heard of this, you know, brand again. And then I spotted this. Look at these colours. Really lovely. Oh, the trousers. The trousers. I can already tell that these will be about a mile too long on me. But for a laugh, let's take them to the mirror. And you can see what I'm up against. This is where my waist is. They're lovely though. I said we'd look at handbags after lunch, but you know, when it's right in front of you, it's very difficult not to. Got a little bit of Coach here. Got a little denim Cassie 19. Very snazzy. I like it a lot. Love the pink on this. Love the pink on that. Got a couple of bits up there. And we've got Michael Kors over here, Marc Jacobs, bit of Vivienne Westwood, Longchamp, bit of Kurt Geiger, and then this is the bit that we're going to come back to, the Handbag Clinic. That's it, Handbag Clinic. I remembered the name. Wow, that's bright sunshine. Woo!